Alright, this is my 1982 Casablanca Victorian ceiling fan. This is the current state of it with standard crystal glass shades, hand-cut crystal, lead crystal, whatever you want to call it, from Casablanca. And I changed the chains a bit, no more tassel. I just wanted to make another new, fresh video of it. Alright, I plan on taking this down soon, so you guys will make videos of it before I take it down. I don't know what I'll replace it with, but I'll find something. So I have the Casablanca pendant for the fan, and then I just built or changed the light kit. It's just really for decoration. I don't really pull the light chain very often. There's the light kit demonstration. Sorry about that. Sorry that it's kind of whack there. Out of whack, rather. Yeah, I have pretty good lighting. I like the Christmas lights they're on. They'll stay on. So, that's the light kit pull chain. There we go. Here we go. Super slow low. The fluorescent lights do buzz a bit. Somehow. Yes, much better environment for video lighting though. None of that shop light I've used in one of my videos of this fan before I put the white blades back on it. Yeah, so now I have lots more blade choices. Alright, I'm gonna have to bump it up. We'll move it about there. And it has a rubber silent flex flywheel. It's one of the first of its kind, actually. It's the first generation of flywheels for Casablanca fans. It's a gray one, so it's also a bit older. They introduced pretzel arms, I'm pretty sure, in either 1980 or 1981, but not all Victorians got the pretzel arms. Some of them didn't, some of them did. Or it might have been an option at one point, and then they decided to just make all of them have it. But I know that fellow fan collector Jared Hero has a 1981 white and polished brass Victorian with standard blade arms. And this one, but I've seen some from 80 and 81 that have pretzel, so I don't know. But regardless, I love the fan, but I'm getting a bit bored of it. It smells in this setting. I think it belongs in somewhere else. Plus, I want a 3-speed fan or something, or IntelliTouch, because I'm tired of I like variable speed because of how you have infinite amount of speed, so I can't. I'm kind of getting tired of having to reach up there and do it. I'd rather just pull a chain. It's just me. But this has served well, and it's well, a good performer. The hang tree is not original, as stated in every other video I ever had of this. But just in case those who are only seeing this video just now, which when this video was filmed is certainly not going to be the day it's uploaded, because my computer would not be in working order by this time. Still. Right? I'm going to give it a little quick medium-ish high. And then high speed after this. And Slumber Quiet is amazingly fully functional with all speeds working. It does not have any issues. High speed, here we go. And I love this. I think this belongs in a different room, honestly. I think polished brass fans look better in here than antique brass. Plus, yeah, I prefer polished brass. This belongs in more of a dining room or family room or living room, not really a bedroom. That's painted blue. So I think this thing has served its duty well. So it's been here for maybe 2 to 3 months. At least. The reverse function works as well. I didn't use the D1 option cord wire. I could have done that. I have the white kit, but on the switch it came with, but I didn't want to do that. And the flywheel's in pretty good condition too. Blows a lot of air, as compared to every other K55 and K63 Casablanca. It's pretty good bearings. Has a bit of a hum on lower speed sometimes, but that's okay. It's just because of a variable speed. Got this for $19.97 at the Lake Highlands store. And yeah, so there you have it. I like to find an all antique brass one and an all white one. And yeah, I still have yet to purchase the white and polished brass one at Habitat. There is an antique brass, an all antique brass Sierra Victorian copy there at Habitat with 5 blades, and wish it had all 6, but no, it's got only 5. That's okay, it needs mounting though. I have to get a down rod for it. I could just use a older K55, like a mid-80s or early 80s hang true down rod for it, actually. So those would fit. Everything to about maybe 86 or 87, something like that. And they switched to my least favorite down rod system. This was for the short arm, and if you wanted it longer than that, you'd have to take the ball off and latch a thicker down rod. This would be what you would put and latch onto it. I don't like that down rod system. I think that the earlier one and the later one, the Permalux system, are better. Alrighty, almost done to spin down. And tell me what you think about the video lighting. I know it's kind of weird having that glare bomb fluorescent light there, but it lights up the room well and it gives extra video light. Yeah, so oh, I'm tired. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.